Dancehall producer Shab arrested in connection with St. James triple murder.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Music producer Shab, given name Leroy Thompson Jr., was taken into custody by members of the Joint Anti-Gang Task Force. In a statement, the Jamaica Constabulary Force says Shab was arrested during a targeted operation in the St. Catherine South Police Division on Friday, June 3. The police say Shab was identified as a person of interest in a May 25th triple murder and wounding with intent incident in Rose Heights, St. James. The police say Shab arrest followed preliminary investigations into several incidents. The police say the producer is expected to be questioned in the coming days in the presence of his attorney. The constabulary also made an appeal to people with information that they believe can assist the security forces with their investigations to contact the Specialized Operations Branch, Crime Stop at 311, NIB at 811, or the Jamaica Defense Force tip line at 876-837-8888.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!